if you live in an area that is very smoky, that you can work out, from the garage because you don't want also to kill yourself, right? It's about fitness, it's about health. It's not about like just pushing yourself in any ways. Put yourself into a jeopardy. However, what do you do during that case? What's your solution? For me, easy. I take a day pass and I go directly to one of the gym close to my house. Like this, I don't give up on my goals. Still want to make sure that I still attain what I'm trying to achieve. So don't let it go, even if it's smoky into your area. Like Washington has been on the fire for quite some time now. Stay healthy, keep pushing yourself. We'll see you soon. Peace.